Making the world a better place is important to me because we already have enough pain. I want to have a place for my kids, your grandkids, my grandkids, where there's a little bit less trauma. If we can have a world where there's a little less suffering, that to me is a better place. I'm Chris Beaudry from St. Francis, Saskatchewan. I'm a farmer, public speaker, and mentor.
Your self-care doesn't have to be anything fancy. It doesn't have to be yoga and massages. It can be something as simple as while you're having breakfast, can you be mindful of what's happening here? What's the story you're telling yourself about the day that's creating an emotional reaction inside?
When I was young, hockey was the escape from the pain for me. It was a way to be with friends, to forget about the pain in my life. And as I got older, there was something I missed about being with a group of people, about competition, and that's what brought me back to hockey. Ultimately, my end in hockey was with the Humboldt Broncos in 2018 with the bus accident. That led me onto this path of mental wellness and healing, which is what I was looking for from hockey. I was looking to be happy. For me, what I hope the positive things that come out of the Broncos accident are people to remember what it felt like a week after the accident. When their hearts were wide open, how did they treat their family? How did they treat the people around them the day after the accident? That's what's real in this world, is the level of love we have for others. Public speaking brings me joy because it allows me the chance to share my story with hundreds and thousands of people.
Now, trauma we think is something big, something large. Trauma is no more or less than a change in a familiar pattern.
We get a chance to share with each other. I hear personal stories from many individuals about the losses they've had, and then we get to just have a moment together, a moment to be with what emotions came up for all of us. I get a chance to share my story, others share with me, and we get a chance to heal together.